Good morning, everyone. So, today I will discuss the key differences between alternative energy and renewable energy. So, renewable energy comes from a source that is naturally occurring and replenishes naturally without the interference of human intervention. So, ang example ani is kaning mga sapa nato or mga suba mukuan man ni siya kaning naturally kuan na gyud ba na nasa ato ang environment o sa palibot nato. And then example of renewable energy include biomass resources. So the biomass resources is refers to the organic materials like wood, crops, manure, and waste that can be used energy source. The renewable energy can be replenished naturally. So ang example ani is wood and wood waste, and then agricultural waste, and then animal waste or food waste. This can be converted into energy through various processes like combustions, anaerobic digestion, or gasification. And then one kaning solar energy. So that the example of solar energy is kaning mga kaning solar panels, kaning solar water heaters. Ginagamit man siya sunlight to heat water or ang pag-init sa kuan. And then solar power devices like ani mga calculator, lanterns or phones, ani mga kaning sa ani ay basta kanang kuan sa mo adapt na siya sun. And then solar power vehicles. Nanay gikuan na unya. And then solar farms. Kaning nagamit sa large scale solar energy generation. This use photovoltaic cells or solar thermal systems to tap into the sun's energy. Kanang nagamit yun sa kuan kaning mga kuan ba init sa adlaw. And then kaning wind energy. So ang wind energy is kuan kaning nagamit sa hangin pare aning wind turbines convert into kuan kaning electricity. And then sa windmills traditionally used for pumping water or draining rain sa mga kuan siya mga dagkong humayan or mga kuan. And then wind farms, large scale wind energy generation. And then wind power vehicles na ano ba ni pareha ng mga kuan bangka or mga sailboats, wind power cars or mga kuan di man na sa cars no, ambot. And then small wind turbines for homes or businesses. These use the wind kinetic energy to generate power. And then kaning geothermal and hydro resources. Sa kaning example aning geothermal energy is kaning hot springs, geysers, steam turbines generate electricity from underground steam. And then ground source heat pumps, heating cooling systems. And then geothermal power plants. And then sa hydro energy is hydro hydro plants or katong mga hydropower plants katong mga dams. And then tidal power plants harness ocean tides man na siya. And then wave energy converters mamariya pa ni sila sa harness ocean waves katong sa ocean tides. Then run of river systems kaning harness reverse flow pump pump shortage hydroelectricity kaning energy shortage na siya. This is tap this tap into earths that geothermal and water flow hydro for energy. And the mo to siya kaning the most abundant resources is solar energy kay mo na mo gyud pinaka madali yung makuha gyud ba kaning init sa adlaw. And then sa alternative energy does not include solar power but includes resources like natural gas or katong often obtained from fracking or the injection of pressure in subterranean crevices. So ang example ani is kaning pagkuha sa oil sa ilalim sa yuta mo na siya mga oh, kato. And then natural gas cogeneration fuel cells, or any waste energy that does not naturally replenish but emits lower cost emission of or kung ano siya kanang kato. So, na mga example is alternative energy. It refers to energy sources that are alternative energy to traditional fuels, pareha ng coal, oil, o gas. And then sa renewable energy comes from the natural resources that are replenished constantly. That ni siya kaning sa kalayaan aning duha is all renewable energy is alternative energy but not all alternative energy is renewable. So, mura po to siya. Ano to?